Wilson and the Elephant.
Time to wake up, Chuggington.
That was a nice sleep.
Good morning, trainees. I have an extra special job for you today.
Oh, what is it, Bee?
Well, the new safari park is opening soon, so the animals need to be moved from the old park to their new home.
And we're taking them?
That's right.
Yay!
You'll be carrying a monkey, Coco.
Train-tastic.
Brewster, you're taking a giraffe.
That's great.
And Wilson, you get an elephant.
An effluent? Hey!
And if you all do a good job, you'll earn a special badge for carrying animals safely.
Oh, great. I love getting new badges.
Now go see Dunbar and get your rolling stock.
This sounds like the most exciting job we've ever had.
All right, young chuggers. You each have different animals to transport, so you'll each need different cars.
Ooh, which one's mine?
The small car. Now it has a special seat in it for the monkey, and you make sure he puts his seatbelt on, Coco.
I will. And I bet the tall car's for me because giraffes have very long necks.
That's right, Brewster. Okay, young chuggers, time to buckle up.
Here we go. All buckled up.
And don't forget to hold on to your cars tightly. You don't want to lose those animals.
Don't worry, Dunbar. I'm not going to forget anything today. I want my animal badge.
That's the ticket, just like an elephant, Wilson. They say that elephants never forget. Now, roll them out, chuggers.
Watch the board for your color, chuggers.
I bet we're going through the red tunnel. No, it's gonna be blue today. I just know it. Green! It's the green tunnel. You're both wrong. Come on, let's ride the rails! That tickles.
Hey, monkey! What's this? I'll just get him buckled into his seat and you can be on your way, Coco.
Thanks, Vicky.
Hi, Wilson. This is Ebo. He's kind of mischievous, but I'm sure you'll be fine.
Hi, Ebo.
Let's get loaded up.
Come on, Ebo. In you go.
Okay. Oof. Oof. Ugh. Oh. Ebo!
Maybe he needs wheels like me.
Yes, that would be a big help. Ooh, he's so stubborn. I think I have an idea. Gotcha. Good. You're all set, Wilson.
Cool. Come on, Ebo. Let's ride the rail.
Are you ready for your giraffe, Brewster?
Yeah. I've never carried a tall load before. What's going on? Wow, how strange. Sorry about that, Ebo. Here we go. Almost there, Mr. Monkey. Just away. Uh-oh, sharp end coming up. Hold on, Ebo. What's happening? Huh? An apple? I didn't see any apple trees. Did you, Mr. Elephant? Hey! Stop that right now! You naughty elephant! You're going to dent my fenders. Ow! Train-tastic! We made it! Welcome to your new home, Mr. Monkey. Phew. This is a steep hill. Look, we're nearly there. Animal badge, here I come! Honking horns! Wilson, you left the guard! Bye, Mr. Monkey. I hope you like your new home. Wow, that was an easy badge to get. Moving elephants is a piece of cake. Wilson? Yeah? Where's the elephant? Oh, no! Oh, I must have forgotten to buckle up the car properly. I better go and look for him. Now I won't get my badge. Don't worry, he can't have gone far. Wilson! Wilson! It's Ebo! I know. I've lost him. No! No, you didn't. That naughty elephant unbuckled the car with his trunk. He did? Yeah, quick, go and catch him, Wilson. There's still time to get your badge. On my way. Good luck. Hey, Ebo, stop right now. Now I've got you. Ha ha! Stop! Come back here. Ebo! Ebo! Wait a minute. Rocks don't have tails. Hey, come back here. Now! Uh-oh, dead end. Help! Help!
Everything okay, you two? Where's Wilson?
Oh, he's still on his way. Yeah, that elephant's been kind of tricky, Vicky. Help! Please, somebody, help! Oh, I'll never, ever, ever get my badge now. Thank you. I thought I was going to be stuck here forever. I think I'll push you this time so I can see what you're doing. Oh no! I don't know which way to go. There are so many tracks. Are you sure you really do know the way? So Dunbar was right. Elephants never forget.
Good job, Wilson.
Yay, you made it! I'm sorry I took so long, Vicky. I had a lot of trouble with Ebo.
It's okay, Wilson. Don't worry. I know what a rascal that elephant is.
Yeah, he's kind of a handful.
Well done, trainees. I'm proud to present you with your animal transportation badges.
Yay! We did it!